Next up, x, we'll say z. We'll never use z in here. We'll use x. But x plus 2 equals this. Fill in the blanks for the solutions of the equation. Once again, easier than ever. Instead of having to actually do the algebra of it, you're welcome to. Some people like doing the algebra more. I just want to give an alternative to that. Plus 3x plus 7. If you put in z or something like that, the problem is that it won't know what to do with it. It'll think you want it to play around with a slider or something. You can experiment with that, but you won't get what you're looking for necessarily. So here we are. We have these two equations, and we again are just asking, well, what are the two solutions here? And in this case, we do have two solutions. Neither of them are restricted completely. I say they're not restricted. The one on the right here can't go past a certain range. We won't get anything less than whatever this, what is the vertex here? Anything less than negative 0.576, whatever that is, about negative 0.6. We won't get anything less than that because of this square root symbol. Anything less than that is not part of the real numbers anymore. We can say, a fun way to think about it. Let's not talk too much about that. So we've got two solutions, it would seem, and they are negative 2 and negative 2 and 9. By the way, be sure you put it in ascending order like they say, because if you don't, and I have, you are marked wrong. This is what's crazy about computer technology, even to this day, is it doesn't always know what you mean. But anyway, so we've got that. Now, how can we check? How can we be sure about this? Well, one thing we can do is we can actually check data tables. I love tables. This is the last part of the get triad for me, is the tables. Oops. I really want the other one too. Check the tables. And if we check the tables we want where negative 2 is, we got negative 2 there is the same as negative 2 here. It ends up being 0 for the function or y. All right, and then if we check 9, we'd have to actually put in 9 in this case because they don't go all the way down. We get 11 for this one. If we get 11 for this one as well, then that is also a solution. They match. And since there's no other possible places where they could intersect, those must be the two solutions. On we go.